Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today I'm here to show you the Metrovac Super Extendo Crevice tool. The Super Extendo Detailing Crevice tool is made from a flexible material that will help you fit into tight and awkward areas around your vehicle. The Super Extendo Crevice tool is designed to attach to the hose end of any standard 1 1/4 inch vacuum cleaner. Perfect for use in between seats and consoles, under seats, cargo areas, and much more. The Super Extendo Crevice tool also features a unique Dual Suction Port Inlet that allows for the debris to be pulled into the tip and side of the crevice tool, ensuring maximum dirt removal in less time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to click the subscribe button below to be notified when we post more videos just like this one, and let us know in the comments what videos you want to see next. For more information on the Super Extendo Crevice tool or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.